A great session. I mean, for me, having this kind of a leadership session was helpful in many ways because I do work with teams across UST, and having to understand the empathy side of things, right?
Absolutely.
To understand people around me and to see like how they are going to react into certain situations, that is the prime agenda for this workshop. So it really helped me understand the point of view of other people around me who are working. So my top three key takeaways are, first of all, having a vision, shared vision. So having the shared vision really helps you in understanding, how as a team you can, work together and have a certain goal. It doesn't need to be a tangible goal, but it needs to be a emotional goal, right?
Yeah.
Where you are trying to achieve something, but you don't have to worry about the results.
Yeah.
You also have to see whether you all are synchronized.
Absolutely.
Secondly, you must be able to appreciate people around you.
Wonderful.
That is very important because I feel, if you don't appreciate people around you, that is not going to have the team morale high enough in order to achieve the results.
Totally agree with you.
Yeah. And the third point that I felt is uplift people. You have to understand that, in our normal course of life, we do go with various ups and downs. So not everyone would be in the same stage in terms of motivation, in terms of coming to work. All kinds of scenarios can happen, right? So you have to uplift people, uplift team members around you in order to get the max out of them, and also understand their pain and their situation, so that you can help them in that personally as well. It's not just professionally. You have to work with them in order to help them personally.
Great.
Yeah. So in our workshop we have discussed so many tools and frameworks. So I would like to implement them all. I would like to start trying with some of them, but most of the ones that we have discussed, like everything that we have discussed, it is going to be helpful in trying to go through that process of arriving at a result. So this workshop helped us understanding various frameworks.
Yeah.
And in that way, those frameworks are going to help us in the long run, trying to create a synchronization chemistry among the team. And
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.